Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to make digital flashcards with Google Slides. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to docs.google.com/presentation, and this will be their homepage over here. And now once you are in the Google Slides, you can just simply go ahead and select template gallery over here on the top right corner of the screen, and it will expand. So now you will have here multiple categories like personal, work, and you will have education. So just simply go for the education. And right over here, guys, you should be able to see here flashcards. So you can just simply click on this to select this template. And now this template will help us have a pre-made slides, and we can just simply change the text based on our subject. And when you go to the second slide, you could just simply change the image by selecting replace image over here, and you can upload from your computer, camera, by URL, drive and photos, or stock and web. So pretty much from here you should be able to have a picture, and as you can see, it is already pre-made, and that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. Thanks for watching.